In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a taxi booking website with WordPress using free plugins in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new service or enhancing an existing one, this guide will help you establish an efficient online presence quickly and cost-effectively. First, let's navigate to WordPress.com, your destination for creating a website. Once there, look for the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page, and click it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll enter your WordPress credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your WordPress dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the command center for your site, where you can manage all aspects of it, from design to content creation and plugin installation, which we'll be focusing on today. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu and find Plugins. Click on it to open the Plugins Management page. Plugins extend the functionality of your WordPress site, allowing you to tailor it to your needs without any coding required. Once you're on the Plugins page, look for an option that says Add Plugin and click it. This will take you to the plugin marketplace where you can explore countless plugins available for installation, both free and premium. We are specifically looking for the WP Travel Engine plugin, a versatile tool designed to help you set up booking systems on your website. In the plugin search bar, type in WP Travel Engine and watch as the search results populate. When the WP Travel Engine plugin appears in the list, you'll notice two options labeled Install and Activate. Click Install first. This action will download the plugin to your site. Once the installation is complete, the Activate button will become clickable. Click Activate to turn on the plugin and make it active on your website. With the WP Travel Engine activated, you've laid the foundation for your taxi booking website. This plugin provides a user-friendly platform to manage your bookings, and it's adaptable to a range of transportation businesses. From here, you can further customize your website by adding pages, uploading images, and adjusting the layout to match your brand's aesthetic and goals. In just a few easy steps, you've set up the core functionality of a taxi booking website without spending a dime on expensive tools or services. Feel free to explore and experiment with the WP Travel Engine settings to make the most out of it and deliver an excellent customer experience. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!